Hey, it's Gareth and Janet getting off the ship today in Nawiliwili, Kauai. And of course the ship is the Emerald Princess. And we actually are gonna rent a car here in Nawiliwili. Hi.
Morning. Have a nice day.
Wow, there's a crowd here. So I think that there's a shuttle stop here. Car rentals that way. See the sign? Yes. Sign's up. These people are waiting on tours. We're waiting on car rentals. Rental car shuttle. Oh, right there. By the way, if you just want to walk to the beach, there's a beach about a quarter mile that way in front of a hotel. Nice white sand beach. Duke's in the hotel. Duke's on Sunday. So we're at the car rental budget at the airport. And when we got on the shuttle from the ship, the guy said, the driver said 1:30 is the last shuttle from here. So that kind of puts a crimp in our schedule, but we'll make it work. So we've been waiting on this bench for 15 or 20 minutes for our car.
Which we have to be back for the shuttle by 1:30.
So I don't know what's going on. I think they've got one guy and he's got to bring each car over here separately. So budget. Kauai. So that's our rental car, and it's in about 20 minutes from the airport. We're here at Wailea Falls. Now we've never been here to Wailea Falls, even though we've been to Kauai several times. Even stayed here for a time. Guy doing art. Well, it's a big waterfall, isn't it? Well, this is Wailea Falls. Next stop, Waimea Canyon. We only had a few hours with the rental car, we found out, so enjoy.
You can see how time grows. And they actually grow on time.
Setting up shop. Chickens, chickens, chickens. Waimea Canyon. You can see the ocean down there. As soon as I get past these trees, maybe. So we're at the Waimea Canyon Lookout. Got cars parked along the road. We parked along the road. There is a parking lot here, but they want $10 and I don't think there were any spaces. So people are circling and circling up there. And then some eventually come down here and some find a spot. So here's the parking lot. $10 per vehicle, $5 per person. Hey, there's a spot. Let's see, somebody's already there for it. There's a huge crowd at the kiosk to pay. Do you need a bathroom? So those two kiosks is where you pay for parking and entrance. And well, there's a big line there. But we're going to cut through because I already did it. So it's sprinkling here. And the last time we were here was 35 years ago, 40 years ago. Look at that waterfall. Helicopter tours.
Fog's coming
We're going out.
Probably already at the bottom.
Let's go down there.
Comes back that way. Are you looking straight down or are you looking out? So do you see where it goes down the side? So it goes around something, right? So do you see how it's kind of like a straight cliff?
Costco gas station is up the street there, and Costco is down here, and it's our last stop before returning the rental car. So if you remember, the rental bus driver, the shuttle driver, said 1:30, and we were back there at 1:30, but you know, 1:32, they'd already left. So another shuttle driver, they said sorry. So another shuttle driver, Henry from Alamo, he said he'd drive us. So don't know if I'll rent from Budget anymore. The Life Outdoor Gear, they do rent surfboards and kayaks and snorkeling equipment, and well, we tried to snorkel here. But yeah, it's probably good on some days, just not this day, and not the day we snorkel here. So you see it there, beach chair, $25 a day. Umbrella, 30 to 50. Wow. Chair and umbrella, 65. So, there's the snorkeling gears, bass fins, snorkel. And there's Duke's, right there. Oh, I guess I could charge it on my phone if it worked. And why wouldn't it, right? Maybe we will get a drink. Anyway, you walk across the grass and the hotel will ask you not to sit on the grass. That's hotel property. Sand is public, grass is hotel. So I guess they're not going to get chased off, but there's a possibility. Wow, look at all the stuff that's washed up here. I have never seen this beach this messy. Now, granted, this is only like the third or fourth time I've been on this beach, but it's never looked like this. Never, ever.